Hello, good morning and namaskar everyone. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. It is going to be difficult, but difficult doesn't mean impossible. As we all know that our school Vivek Vidyalaya had organized Yogathon on 21st June, an inter-school online yoga competition in which 20 schools of the town participated with 57 participants. It gives me immense pleasure to host this ceremony that has been observed to commemorate the achievements of our young teams. This event truly showcases the commitment that all the participants have shown towards yoga. Today, we are here to announce the lucky winners and also for applauding the excellent performance of our commendable participants.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute. Deepajyotir namostute.
Yoga makes a healthy body and mind. It links the soul to nature and keeps one fit and active. Yoga helps to manage stress and anxiety by keeping you relaxed. It brings together physical and mental discipline to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It also increases the flexibility, muscular strength and body tone. We have our judges here, Mr. Ravitab Sahu, yoga instructor at Kaivalyadham Yoga Institute, Lonavla, Pune, and Mrs. Kranti Rajesh Singh. Most respectfully, I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Sir to say a few words on this day. Please, sir.
Honorable Principals of all the schools, event in charges, teachers and my dear participants. Dreams come true when we have thoughts and our thoughts transform into action. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yus. It means to join or unite, which in practice means undertaking an individual consciousness by the vision of mind and body. Yoga was first mentioned in Vedas and Sutras in Patanjali. It inculcates the habit of keeping ourselves healthy and strong. It develops a good nature and makes us a good person also. It removes our illness, anxiety, depression of our mind. Today, we are assembled here at the final stage of this program. We know that 20 students are there who did excellent, and all the participants' performance was really good. But one point is there, where there is competition, there is way, and that's why all the participants have been categorized. So, I am very happy to announce that all the participants whosoever had sent their videos were really excellent. It was quite tough to take correct decision. For the success of this program, I would like to extend my hearty gratitude to our management committee whose encouragement and guidelines made the program grand success. I would like to thank all the principals of the school who ensured the participations of the students in this event. Really, I am thankful to the teachers in charges of different schools whose coordination and cooperation made the program successful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inspiring words. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the time to acknowledge the talent of our position holders who have faced the challenges. It is all because of their perseverance, constancy, and immovability that they are selected as champions. Here goes the result of Yogathon. We'll start with the Group A girls. In the category Group A girls, the second runner-up is Ayushi Adhikari Little Flower School. The first runner-up is Nandita De Jusko School, Kadma. And the winner is Anushka De Little Flower School. Now, Group A boys. Third position goes to Satvik Singh DBMS English School. Second position goes to Shrenik Vishwas St. Mary's English High School. And the first position has been bagged by Anmol Raj Valley View School. Congratulations to all the winners. Now proceeding towards the next category, Group B girls. The third position goes to Devika Sen Hilltop School. The second position goes to Divya Gorai Tarapur School, Agrico. And the winner of Group B girls is Advika Ananti Vidya Bharti Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Now, Group B boys. The third position goes to Anirvan Das Jusko School, Kadma. The second position goes to Yogesh Kumar DBMS English School. And the first position has been bagged by Adribu De Little Flower School. Now moving towards the next category, Group C girls. The second runner-up is Ananya Sen Gupta Kerala Samajam Model School. The first runner-up is Anushka Pani Vig English School. And the winner is Tiasha Pangiara Gulmohar High School. Now, the result of Group C boys. The third position goes to Sandeep Paul Kerala Samajam Model School. The second position goes to Aditya Kumar Singh Dayanand Public School. And the first position has been bagged by Kaushik Kumar Jusko School, Kadma. A huge round of applause for all the winners, and I congratulate all of you. I would like to extend my hearty gratitude to our Honorable Principal Sir, principals of all the schools whose great support helped us a lot to make the event a grand success. Guests, judges, teacher in charges of all the schools whose cooperation and coordination is worth praising. The participants, audience, and all of you to make the program a grand success. I congratulate and appreciate all the winners who have put faith, hope, and love together in order to raise positivity all around. I also congratulate all the participants who have set a very admiring benchmark for others. We hope that you will continue to achieve brilliance in your career and in other spheres too. Once again, I would like to thank the whole team and the in charges of the event. Thank you all.